Hello everyone, once again welcome to our YouTube channel Applied Forensic Research Sciences. Today we will discuss the admission procedure at the Institute of Road Traffic Education. This video will be presented by me, Anushka Mukherjee, a member of Applied Forensic Research Sciences. So, without any delay, let's get started. Today, we will cover the following topics: steps of application, important dates, eligibility, and the documents needed during application. Steps for application. Go through admission notification and all other details, including eligibility, mentioned on the college website thoroughly. Pay the application fees, non-refundable. Download and fill out the application form from the following link, which is given in the description box. Send the form along with all requisite documents via email msc.ctm@earth.com or post the Director, College of Traffic Management, IRT, Surjakund Badkal Road, Aravali Hills, Sector 43, Faridabad 121010, Haryana. Regularly check the college website for updates. The application fee is only 500 rupees. Important dates. Opening date of registration 22nd July 2022. Last date of submission of online application form 22nd August 2022. Last date of submission of application fees 22nd August 2022. Online display of first merit list 23rd August 2022. Selected candidates will be required to deposit the fees through online mode net banking by 25th August 2022. Online display of second merit list 26th August 2022. The selected candidates will be required to deposit the fees through online mode net banking by 30th August 2022. Online display of third merit list 31st August 2022. The selected candidates will be required to deposit the fees through online mode net banking by 5th September 2022. Commencement of classes, first semester, 1st September 2022. Eligibility. B.Sc Forensic Science, B.Sc Pass Horns with any of the two subjects viz. Botany, Biotechnology, Biochemistry, Chemistry, Mathematics, Physics and Zoology, B.Sc Bioscience Biomedical Biological Sciences, BDS with at least 50% marks in aggregate or any other examination recognized by state universities of Haryana as equivalent thereto. Documents required during admission. Matriculation certificate, as proof of age. Senior secondary examination certificate. Detailed marks card of the qualifying examination. Character certificate from the institute last attended. Certificate of reserved category and other related certificates, if applicable. The latest income certificate was issued on or after 1st April 2021 for SC/BC category or as per state government instructions. Certificate claiming weightages, Haryana resident certificate, if applicable. Documentary proof in support of respective supernumerary category, if applicable. Undertaking gap year, if applicable, as per the format in Appendix T. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you found it helpful. To know more about admissions to forensic science universities, go check out our previous videos. To know about forensic science, scopes, careers and others, do check out our previous video. You will find all our videos on our YouTube channel. To know more about forensic science, do subscribe to our channel. Like, comment and share this video with all your friends. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comments section. See you in the next video. Bye guys, see you in another video.